Here at ProEst, we're all about connectivity and collaboration. And now that we've moved into our new offices in San Diego, we're walking the walk in an exciting new way. Much like our software, our new space includes advanced technology and productivity features that help people work faster, smarter, and more efficiently together. All in a context of sleek, modern design and a work-friendly open floor plan. Our new concept walls, for example, provide maximum natural light and a unique writable surface for small group meetings and personal ideation. But at ProEst, we're not all work and no play. We're here to relax and have fun, too. Our new kitchen and lounge is a great place to have a cup of coffee, enjoy a bite to eat, and share time with colleagues. And we're always up for a little friendly competition. The point is, our exciting new office environment lets us work the way we think everyone should work. Collectively, collaboratively, and with a new level of connection that's a perfect fit for today's competitive business environment. And tomorrow's.